So welcome to this Podpastor Steph show.
Yeah, so welcome to
Podpastor.
video nito, yeah.
Yeah.
Podpastor.
We are doing something pretty new now.
Ngayon ay gagawa kami ng makabagong kabanata.
Yes, I want to speak to my English friends. Yeah.
Gusto kong magsalita sa aking mga kaibigan na nagsasalita ng Ingles.
But I do want to also speak to my Filipino friends now.
At the same time, gusto ko rin magsalita sa aking mga kaibigan na nagsasalita ng Tagalog.
Because as you may know now, I have a new love for the Philippines.
Mapapansin nyo sa ngayon na ako ay may pagmamahal sa Filipino community.
Yes. And not just the community, but also
I mean,
the
yeah.
people
Yeah.
and my partner that I have now in life.
Hindi lang sa isang komunidad, kundi sa kabuuan ng Pilipinas.
So we're just doing a test for now.
Ngayon ito lamang ay isang pagsasanay.
We'll get better, right?
Maybe maybe magiging isa kaming bihasa.
So have patience with us.
Bigyan niyo kami ng pasensya.
We'll get better for sure.
Soon enough magiging bihasa din kami.
I like that, the way you say soon enough.